The 2024 Toyota Tacoma features two advanced off-road systems that work together to enhance your driving capability on challenging terrain. Multi-Terrain Select, or MTS, is an intelligent system that optimizes your vehicle's traction control, throttle response, and transmission shift points based on the specific terrain you're driving on. MTS offers 5 distinct terrain modes, each optimized for specific driving conditions. Rock and Dirt mode provides balanced performance for mixed terrain. Loose Rock minimizes wheel spin on unstable surfaces. Mogul mode is designed for large obstacles and steep inclines. Sand mode allows controlled wheel spin to maintain momentum. Mud and Sand mode provides maximum wheel spin tolerance for deep, soft conditions. Crawl Control maintains consistent low speeds between 1 and 5 miles per hour without any driver input on the throttle or brakes. The system automatically manages engine speed and applies individual wheel braking for optimal traction. Crawl Control operates only in 4-watt low range, allowing the driver to focus entirely on steering while the system handles speed and traction management automatically. These systems work seamlessly together. When you select a terrain mode, it automatically optimizes how Crawl Control responds, engages the rear differential lock when needed, and coordinates all traction control systems for maximum capability on challenging terrain. Together, Multi-Terrain Select and Crawl Control provide enhanced off-road capability while significantly reducing driver fatigue during technical driving situations. Effective use of Crawl Control and Multi-Terrain Select begins with mastering basic off-road driving techniques. These electronic systems enhance your capabilities, but they cannot replace fundamental skills and preparation. Start with less aggressive multi-terrain select modes and progressively advance as your skills develop. Begin with Rock and Dirt mode for mixed terrain, then move to more specialized settings as conditions require. Crawl Control excels in rocky terrain and muddy trails where precise, low-speed movement is critical. The system maintains consistent speeds between 1 and 5 miles per hour, allowing you to focus entirely on steering while it manages throttle and braking. In sand conditions, Multi-Terrain Select Sand mode allows controlled wheel spin to maintain momentum. Unlike rocky terrain, where Crawl Control is ideal, sand driving requires maintaining forward momentum to prevent getting stuck. Remember that these systems are sophisticated aids, not substitutes for proper preparation and driving technique. Regular system calibration and software updates ensure optimal performance. Always scout obstacles on foot and choose routes appropriate for your skill level.